Leave recording. Okay, gonna do an unboxing here, and well, see how it goes. Someone sent me a gift. I like getting. Oh no, we don't want to knock that down. Oh boy. Is it? Okay, that's just that. Get rid of that. Open that. Everything's slowing down here. Cameras everywhere. Alright, what do we say here? Let's see, is it on there? 37-piece survival tool set. Instruction manual. Don't need that. Can't see that. But it looks like there's a bunch of stuff in there, so we'll have to do a thorough unboxing. That was such a thoughtful gift. I like it. So can we take a peek in here? See how does this open? It's got clasps over there too. Looks like it's pretty packed. All-weather notebook. Blanket. Oh, I got another one of those too. Ooh, I know what that is. That's a paracord there that you can make all kinds of stuff with that. It's got tools on it too. Huh. It's a wristband. That's what it is, right? That's what it is. It's a wristband. Kind of hard to get it on now. Okay. Anyway, there's all kinds of stuff here. I'll have to. I know what that is. Huh. I think I know what that is. That's a ferrule piece of metal. What do we do with a ferrule piece of metal? Is that the striker? I don't know. Pretty sure that's what it is though, because I got one here. I've already tested this one out. Good survival kit, gotta have stuff to burn. All kinds of stuff. What is this? It's a flashlight. Looks like it needs batteries. Telescopic focusing lamp. Wow, what do we got? Little tool. Multi-tool. Well, it's got all kinds of stuff. Stuff for eating. That's oof. I don't know what that is, but it's pretty sharp on the end there. So I'm gonna have to go through this and see what all this is. That's all kinds of stuff. Whistle. Yeah. So thanks for the gift. That was pretty thoughtful.